This is the Rainbird 13 to 18 foot rotary nozzle. A white marking here will be your left set stop. So you're gonna load it into your sprinkler body. Once you have that set, we'll go ahead and turn it on and make some fine adjustments. These nozzles are adjustable from 45 degrees all the way up to 270. Right now, I just need it to be about 180 degrees. I've got to get this left stop over here and the right over here, and you can finally adjust it, almost laser precision, to get it to where you want to go. And there's a collar here that'll adjust. Turn it left, it'll turn it down. If you want it to go further, you can turn it to the right. Now these are going to perform much better than traditional sprinklers. You're not going to have any issues with misting and the wind blowing it. Even maybe 15-20 mile-an-hour winds, these are going to keep up with the wind and water precisely, with hard droplets that'll hit the ground and not spray away or blow away by the wind. Our van, 13 to 18 feet.